What's up, everybody? My name is Tyler. Today, we got something cool and new and exciting and fun and cool. I'm doing an unboxing for the first time in a while. Okay, cutting utensil. It's a big knife. Okay, let's do it. Let's get into this thing. I'm gonna cut the sides here. Same thing. Whoa. I'm gonna pull it out. Oh. Well, there it is. I went ahead and got a Zhiyun Crane 2 S for super or something like that. Yeah, I went ahead and got a gimbal for B-roll and, you know, fun stuff, and it kind of worked out because the Crane 2S is new. So this will be exciting, and hopefully most of you haven't seen too much about it yet, and hopefully we can learn a little bit about it together. Go ahead and slice this tab right here. Service card, a reader's guide manual, how to do stuff with it, it's all in Chinese, so I can't read it. Ooh. Pretty nice case, I must admit. It's kind of like this hard, foamy feeling. Not quite as nice as like the hard shell Pelican case type ones. Right off the bat, this is what you'll get. And I imagine this is the case that you'll keep it in majority of the time, unless you go and like purposely buy like a Pelican case or something for it. There's these two black clips on the front here. And then I guess it just opens up. Just like that. Pretty cool. Wow, really the first thing to notice about this thing is that it is huge.
Damn, boy.
I mean, it's pretty big. In comparison to the Crane Plus, the tube size alone is just, let's see if I can get this to balance here. So the Crane 2S is in my right hand right here. And then the Crane Plus on my left hand here. You can see just how much thicker the Crane 2S is. I mean, I can still grip my hand all the way around it, but with this one, you can see how much more I can grip my hand around it. So the Crane 2S definitely much beefier when it comes to the size, but honestly, the weight, they almost weigh the same, even though the motors are bigger, the overall size and volume is bigger than the Crane Plus, but it still manages to be manageable. You could definitely hold this with one hand with a camera on it, assuming you have decent arm strength. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of a big deal. Let's see what else we've got in the package here. We've also got a tripod, 3 huge batteries. They're 2600 milliamp hour each, so you should get about 12 hours of battery life, which is awesome. Got the battery charger here as well. Then you've got this box of accessories here. Got a bracket mount here, which is super nice. And then obviously your lens holder is here as well. Then here is the quick release mount, which to my understanding, you can slide in the bottom or like in the cradle this way, pointing forward, or you can mount it vertically, so we'll have to check that out. And then you have this secondary mount. That's pretty much it. That's what you get in the box here. Not a terrible amount of accessories or anything crazy, but just overall, pretty good amount of stuff. That about does it for the unboxing. That is pretty much it. You can see size comparison here. I'll go ahead and get the Osmo out as well. I'm gonna be covered in gimbals here in a second. So there's basically your 3 levels of handheld gimbals here. Obviously they get much bigger as you get more expensive, but in terms of you know, everyday cameras, phones, etc., this is about the 3 sizes you can expect to see. So yeah, I'm gonna go and charge the batteries to this thing and go give it a shot and see how it goes. Thanks for hanging out. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, of course. We hit over 24, which is super exciting. by the way. So make sure to subscribe to catch any future videos about the Crane 2S and other gimbals and other cool tech stuff, as well as some other kinds of videos. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you dislike this video, hit the thumbs down. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!